This video I want to make today is about whole house air cleaners. This right here is a HEPA Shield 600. It's a whole house air purifier. This is an older home, and in a lot of your older homes, you have leaky foundation and floors or walls. Old farmhouses or old barn houses that are turned into houses, you have, I can't say poor health quality, but you still have those leaky floors from your foundation that aren't properly sealed around your windows, so you can still accumulate a lot of dust in certain areas. This also goes back to the time when we dealt with coronavirus. These types of equipments come in handy. So I'm trying to show you all how to service. Even though it may be old, you still may have some gold. You know what I'm saying? Let me get this door off. Well, I took that one screw off already. Inside your HEPA shields are your filters. You have your regular filter on the top, belt filter, whatever, whichever one you decide to put in there, 16 by 20, whichever one you normally want to put in there. Your charcoal filter that goes on top, that usually slides in its own separate rack. But most importantly, this is your real, true filtering system. Let's see if I can get it up. Let's see if I can get that bad boy. Slide out of there. You see how thick that filter is there? See how thick that filter is there? That is what's really, let me compare this. I don't have my tape measure with me. But you can imagine that filter there, once it's all put back together up inside of there, it's probably about I would say about a foot and a half. I would say about 12 inches thick, with all that filtering system on the inside. That's your other, but your main components are down here on your blower motor is. Like I say, you have to service these just like you would your regular air handler. Down on the inside, blower motor capacitor, change those oil greaser bearings on the inside there to make sure you don't have no future corrosion. Those contacts right there, yes, I've already got it wired up, so it's already got some fire to it. But you keep things like that serviced, so they help you in the long run. Like I say, this is a whole house air purifier. And I have this bad boy wired up right now, temporary, so I can show you all the significant change after the doors are properly put on and sealed up. I'm gonna show you. See, I'm gonna turn it on now. See, I got everything pre-wired. Man, you can see the air pressure it has going all the way stuff all the way back over there. That's what you want. Let me see. I got everything set up on. It turned off. So you can have these things wired on, or where you have it like on a wall switch to where you turn it on, it'll come on. Or you can have it wired to where you have like plug it into an outlet, and then you press the switch that I have on this one on a mounter on the side of it where you turns on. Or you can have it wired to where it comes on with your unit when your blower motor comes on, depending on how you install your application. get in here. Let's say replace. Those are your most important components. We'll put the door on. See, look, when you have good pressure, that door, get ready to put that door on. That door, it'll close itself. It's pulling air from the top. So anything in your house, let me put this door on real quick. Everything inside the house is being pulled in through the top. Like I say, man, everything that you breathe inside your house, typically, it flows. It will have to go through your return inside your normal house. When you add a whole house air purifier, you can add it to your equipment. Every air that you breathe inside your home, it has to travel through all those filters, all that filtering system to be cleaned and to produce clean air to come out the oven. You understand what I'm saying? Like I say, man, just because certain things may be old, don't mean you don't have some gold. You know what I'm saying? Get you a whole house air purifier, improve the quality of your air that you're breathing in, improve your lifestyle, prevent lung cancer, prevent viruses from spreading around your house. For real, man. Prevent sicknesses. It's important. Get into your word. Feed your spirit, man, just as much as feed your natural. Y'all be blessed, be encouraged.